Hey there, future content creators. This is Earning Guru. And before we dive into today's game-changing topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to every single one. Now let me tell you something exciting. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Yes, you heard that right. I started my journey just like you. And today I'm going to reveal my complete blueprint for building a successful faceless YouTube channel. First, let's talk about why faceless channels are exploding right now. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts have completely changed the game. People are consuming content differently, and guess what? They care more about value than seeing someone's face. Let's break down the strategy step by step. The first crucial element is finding your perfect niche. Don't just jump into what's trending. Look for that sweet spot between your interests and market demand. For example, if you're into finance instead of general make money online content, you could focus specifically on cryptocurrency for beginners or stock market automation tools. Speaking of automation, here's where it gets interesting. You don't need to spend 12 hours a day creating content. I'm going to share my personal automation stack that helps me manage multiple channels. Tools like Content Studio for scheduling, Pictory for video creation, and Descript for voiceovers. These are game changers. Now let's talk money. There are multiple ways to monetize your faceless channel. AdSense is just the beginning. You can create digital products, secure sponsorships, or even build an affiliate marketing empire. One of my channels generates over $5,000 monthly just from affiliate links in the description. Here's a pro tip many don't talk about. Batch content creation. Spend one day creating a month's worth of content. This approach has helped me maintain consistency while having time to focus on strategy and growth. Remember to optimize your videos for search. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to research keywords, create compelling thumbnails, and write descriptions that actually convert. My videos started getting 10 times more views when I mastered these tools. Here's the thing about faceless channels. They're actually easier to scale than personal brands. You can hire voice actors, editors, and researchers while maintaining the same channel identity. I've scaled 3 channels this way, and the process is completely repeatable. Before we wrap up, let me share a success story. One of my students started a faceless channel in the pet care niche, and within 6 months they hit 100,000 subscribers. The key? Consistent, valuable content that solved specific problems. If you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube journey, remember these 3 things. Choose a specific niche, invest in the right tools for automation, and focus on providing genuine value to your audience. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making strategies. Drop a like in the comments if you're ready to start your faceless YouTube journey. See you in the next video.